Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the DJI Mavic 3 Pro, one of the most advanced and powerful drones available in 2025. This is not just an incremental upgrade, it's a leap forward in both performance and camera quality. Starting with the exterior, the Mavic 3 Pro maintains DJI's signature foldable design, making it extremely portable and travel-friendly. The build quality is premium, using high-grade materials that give it both durability and a lightweight feel. The matte dark gray finish looks professional and sleek, while the aerodynamically refined body helps improve flight efficiency. The folding arms lock securely, ensuring stability during flight, and the propellers are quieter compared to previous models, reducing noise during operation. Now, the highlight of this drone, the camera system. The Mavic 3 Pro features a triple camera setup with Hasselblad's 4:3 CMOS main sensor, capable of capturing stunning 20MP photos and up to 5.1K video resolution. Alongside it, you have a medium telephoto lens and a long telephoto lens, allowing for incredible zoom capabilities without losing detail. The color science from Hasselblad delivers rich, accurate tones straight out of the camera, perfect for both professionals and hobbyists. Moving to the interior technology and flight systems, the Mavic 3 Pro is equipped with DJI's O3 Plus transmission system, providing a stable, low-latency live feed up to 15 kilometers away. The drone's intelligent obstacle avoidance sensors cover all directions, making flying safer, even in complex environments. The controller is ergonomic, comfortable to hold for long sessions, and offers responsive, precise control. In terms of efficiency, the Mavic 3 Pro boasts an impressive 43-minute maximum flight time under ideal conditions. This means fewer battery swaps and more time capturing the perfect shot. It performs exceptionally well in windy conditions, holding position steadily and providing smooth footage. Intelligent flight modes such as master shots, focus track, and waypoint make it easy to create cinematic shots with minimal effort. Now, let's talk about pricing. The standard Mavic 3 Pro starts at around $2,199 for the basic package. If you opt for the Fly More combo, which includes extra batteries, propellers, and a carrying case, you're looking at roughly $2,999. The top-tier Cine Premium combo, which offers Apple ProRes recording and a built-in 1TB SSD, pushes the price above $4,799. While it's certainly an investment, the performance, image quality, and reliability make it a worthwhile purchase for serious content creators and professionals. In summary, the DJI Mavic 3 Pro is an all-around powerhouse. With its top-tier camera system, excellent flight performance, and long battery life, it stands as one of the best drones you can buy in 2025. If you want the ultimate aerial photography and videography experience, this is the drone to beat.